In this video, I am going to show you how to see 3D view in Google Maps. So this should be a quick and easy process video. Now without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead, open up your Google Maps. And now as you can see, just click on the icon at the top right. Then go ahead, click on 3D in the map details as you can see. Then click out, and now you can see the buildings are all in 3D. As you can see, and if you want to do it again or disable it, just click on it. And also you can choose 3D on the terrain or the satellite view. It's always on default. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching. Thanks for watching.